In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a WordPress website. This quick and easy process will take just 5 minutes of your time. Whether you're looking to enhance your web page by embedding engaging video content or showcasing your own multimedia projects, here's how you can get it done smoothly. First, we'll begin this process by navigating to WordPress.com. Open your web browser and type in WordPress.com into the address bar. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll notice a prominent Login button. Go ahead and click on it to access the login page. Next, you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure your login information is correct, your username or email and password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard, which is essentially the control center for your WordPress site. Now that you're in the dashboard, it's time to decide whether you want to add your video to a new or existing post or page. You'll see options on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on either the posts or page, depending on where you want your video to go. If you're adding it to an existing post or page, locate it and click to edit. If it's a new post, click on Add New to get started with a blank canvas. With your post or page open, it's time to insert the actual video. Look for the plus block button on the editor interface. Clicking this will bring up a variety of block options, which are essentially the building blocks for your page's content. Among these options, you'll find the option labeled Video. Click on it. This will open a dialog where you can upload a video directly from your computer. Alternatively, if you have a YouTube or Vimeo link, you can choose the appropriate block, such as the YouTube block or Vimeo block, and paste your video URL. If you're uploading a video file, ensure that the video size is optimized for web usage to preserve loading speeds and ensure smooth playback for your viewers. After your video is uploaded or linked, take a moment to check the alignment and size. Ensure it fits well within your post or page layout for the best viewing experience. Lastly, once you're satisfied with how it looks, don't forget to save your changes. Click on the Publish or Update button located on the top right of your screen. This will make your video content live on your website. So there you have it. In just a few quick and straightforward steps, you've successfully added a video to your WordPress website. Incorporating video into your content strategy can significantly enrich your site by engaging users and enhancing the overall user experience. Be sure to try this on your site and see the difference it can make. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!